Hi there. Grab a snack and settle in, because today we are going to learn about the history of animation.
Today is a big day. My favorite football team, the Red Lions versus the Blue Tigers.
I have popcorn. I have soda. I have my sofa. I am ready.
Comfort. Now, let's turn on the TV. Where is it? Where is the remote?
Emma! Peter! Did you touch my remote?
David! David!
Why are you screaming? Dinnaming.
I am cooking dinner.
Is there a spider? I can catch it with my ball.
Oh, the remote!
It's gone! I can't watch the game. Fun and the farda, same.
Did you look under the sofa?
I looked everywhere. Someone wants me to miss the game.
Dad, maybe the cat took it?
We don't have a cat, Peter. Specifically Kathleen Silver.
This is a crime.
We need the Family Detectives. I am Detective D.
I am Agent P. Right out.
And we will find the truth.
Dad,
Nobody leave the house.
suspect number 1.
Emma.
Where were you at 4 p.m.?
That's fine. I told you, David. I was in the kitchen. I was making chicken soup.
Or were you hiding the remote so I would help you clean?
I have a broom for that. Hat.
I don't need to hide the remote to make you clean, David.
Agent P, check her pockets.
no remote, Detective. Just a carrot. A carrot?
Carrot? Man. Suspicious. Keep it as evidence. Suspect number 2, Agent P. Wait, you are my partner.
But I was in the garden. Maybe I dropped it in the grass?
Let's go to the garden. Search the perimeter.
Look! Footprints!
Those are bird footprints, Agent P. Very small.
Oh, look! A shiny thing!
This is a bottle cap, not a remote. Now, if we examine the structure of this home, what is that on the windowsill?
Mr. Bean. Is he an accomplice?
He looks guilty, Detective. Look at his eyes.
Hi, everyone. Huh? This mystery is getting difficult.
We have a carrot, a bottle cap, and a suspicious teddy bear.
Do you know where the remote is? Check the coffee table. It might be there.
Before we find the culprit, please help us grow our channel.
Give this video a like. It helps Detective D buy more popcorn.
And subscribe for more mysteries. Click the bell. Ding, ding.
Comment below. Who is the thief? Is it Emma? Peter? Or the teddy bear? I am so hot. I need a drink. AHH. Did you find it?
Oh,
No. There is no more orange juice.
This is the worst day ever!
David, look at the top of the fridge.
Nothing. Just dust.
Dad, look at your jacket. You are wearing your winter jacket.
Because it makes me look cool, Peter.
David, reach into your left pocket.
The remote.
Oh.
I put it here when I was getting the popcorn.
I forgot.
So, Detective D was the thief all along? The case is closed. The criminal is David.
Can I watch the football now?
Of course, go ahead.
The punishment for a false investigation is 20 minutes of yoga with me.
No. Not yoga. I am not flexible.
And you have to give me your popcorn.
Okay.
Why? Thank you for watching. Remember, check your pockets before you call the police.
See you next time.
Oh, geez time.